Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Haven in Skegness to check out one of their new sites. It's only been a Haven site for the last 3 years, so everything is nearly brand spanking new. We're going to check out the caravans, have a look at the entertainment, sample the food and have a look around the whole of the site. So come with us for a full tour of Haven Skegness.
Yo, it's the Jack's life, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel. Planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a Jack's life, adventure's great.
So we are staying in 35 Gibraltar Point. As you can see, our caravan is ready because it's got the little green sticker on. What you do is you rip it off, and as you come in, the key should be on the table, which it is. Right, so we're in Haven Skegness. We've gone for a saver caravan from Monday to Friday, and it's an absolute bargain. It's only £69 from Monday to Friday, 4 nights. So let's have a look what you get in a saver caravan here at Skegness Haven. So as we enter, we have quite a large fridge freezer to the side. Becco one, decent brand. There's also a little cupboard here housing your mop and a bit of storage, maybe hang your coats. This one is central heated, which is good because not all of them are on Haven sites. When you are booking, do look out for that with the saver ones because they're not always centrally heated. And then we've got this nice kitchen space, which is particularly clean. It looks pretty new actually. It looks in really good condition. All the usual things. You've got microwave, toaster, obviously your sink, kettle in the corner, a nice array of plates and bowls, some glasses, some cups. I love this splashback. This is nice, isn't it? Nice bit of colour. And then we've got your gas oven and hob, knives and forks, all your kitchen utensils, soft close cupboards as well, nice. And then you've got your lovely lounge area, so nice big seating area with a big TV and a lovely little dining area as well. TV is very good size, and I must say windows on all sides and none of those horrible net curtains, so although the privacy isn't as much, it does let lots of lovely light in. Right, let's go through into the bedroom area. This bit is carpeted rather than the laminated floor. Pegs for your coats. And we have your toilet. So this is the shower room. So you have your shower cubicle, which again is absolutely spotless. The staff here do keep it really nice and clean. Your sink with your shaver outlets, your mirror over, window, toilet, lovely storage for your towels, nice mount there, again some hooks, heated towel rail, it's nice. So then the smaller bedrooms, this has 2 single beds in. As you can see, they're all nicely made up. It's not like going to the old Pontins where you had to do it yourself. Again, the colour theme runs throughout, which is pretty nice. And this is good as well. The plug sockets now come with USB ports rather than just the plugs, which is what we all want. So 2 single beds, and a wardrobe space in here for you. And a few drawers at the bottom, a little heater, and a nice little vanity mirror with a little shelf over. And you can go through into your main bedroom, or the master. Again, same colour theme throughout. I do like the headboards and the artwork, they all match nicely. Again, nice double beds, nicely made. Sheets look spotless. On either side you've got plug points with USBs on both sides. You also got the heating controls over here, so you can adjust while you're in bed without having to get out, which is a nice touch. Hairdryer holstered on the wall, more plug sockets, little desk, nice little drawer, not soft close like the kitchen. Your mirror, nice lot of storage, and your wardrobe space, some extra pillows, and a nice big vanity mirror. And don't forget, you get pegs as well. It's time to check out the old beds. Oh yeah, doesn't feel like a caravan bed. It feels like a normal bed. It's a winner. It has really high ceilings in this caravan, so you don't feel like you're very boxed in. So the roof goes in a point in the middle, so it gives you like the feeling of space, which is very nice, because a lot of times in caravans they can be a bit claustrophobic. Right, so as we've seen, the accommodation is pretty good, especially for the £69 a fortnight mark. We like that very much. So we're off for dinner now, but first we're going to go and have a drink in, I think it's called the Marina Bar or the Marina Bay Bar. We'll go for a little drink there, and then we're off the restaurant. I think it's called the Richmond Arms, and we'll check out the food, and then we'll see what the entertainment's like later. Come on, let's go. So this is where you can hire the carts from and have a whiz around. So we're a little out of season here, so not everything's on, but you can get an idea. You've got these bouncy, what they are, big trampolines, bungee trampolines. This is a good little feature, the bark yard. So this is where you can bring your dog to have a run round. Little play area for your mutt. You've got your EV charging points if you vote for the Green Party. There we've got Burger King and Papa John's, and then that's the indoor swimming pool, which we'll check out tomorrow. There's a little local shop, a Nisa shop there, and then in here we've got the arcade and restaurant. Where we'll be later, in the entertainment room called the Marina Stage. These are my personal favourites. Skill Ball Deluxe. I think I've only ever won £2 on it, but I always want the £50. Eat, drink, enjoy. I think I will. This is the Marina Bar, which does sort of light bites and drinks and has sports on TV. We'll go check out the restaurant shortly. Here we go, famous Haven seat to have your selfie in. Skegness, my Haven days. Richmond Arms pub and restaurant. there's quite a nice outside seating area here, and little playgrounds at the end. So it's a bit cold in March, but in the summer you sit out here, have a drink and watch the kids on the play area. Check out the menu. Oh, so let's check out the menu. So I've gone for the Cajun chicken pasta with some burnt garlic bread. Let's see how this is then. Chicken.
Sorry squad, I got confused. Well please welcome to the stage, it's the Seaside Squad! Welcome to our dance party. You're going to play all of our favourite Seaside Squad songs. You'll hear songs from all of the Seaside Squad Seaside Sounds album. It's 4 and 6.
So morning everyone. Last night was very enjoyable. Caravan was very warm and snug. It was all okay really. The only two issues is two of the doors, one for the bathroom, one for the bedroom, are a bit stiff, so in the night you might wake people up slamming the door, but other than that it was all very good. I thought I'd come to the entrance and walk you through, because yesterday getting checked in I missed a few of those things, so let's go and see the entrance and I'll walk you through the front of the park. So it's pretty difficult to miss. There's sign after sign after sign for Haven Skegness. It's also opposite this beautiful field over here, which doesn't seem like to be doing a lot, but it is nice to look at. Now I was chatting to the guy in the bar last night and asking if it had recently had a refurb because it's in such nice condition. Apparently it used to be called Richmond Holiday Park, and Haven bought it and took over the site roughly 3 years ago. They then did a full refurb, hence why everything's in such good condition. They did make the point that it's much smaller than most Haven sites, so at some point they'll probably have to add more vans and build a bigger venue, but at the moment I really like it. I think it's nicer to have a few less people, a bit quieter. So this is the entrance. Then you have your reception. And then there's a few little amenities along here. So there is a laundrette. Apologies for the wind. There is a laundrette. And then there's a co-op. Is it a co-op or an ISA? Well, the sign says co-op and then that one says NISA. But either way, there's a little shop here for you. That is funny, one side says NISA local, the other side says co-op. Maybe they're the same company, who knows. And then there's a little area where you can inquire about owning a caravan. And then you go to your main site again. Hi, so the last morning here at Haven in Skegness, and I must say we've thoroughly enjoyed our time here, especially for the price point. £69 from Monday to Friday. It's really, really good value, especially considering it's only been open 3 years, so everything's pretty brand new. I never got a chance to film inside the swimming pool because there was always people in there and I didn't want to be the weirdo that films people in their swimwear. But here's some pictures from the website so you can have a look what the swimming pool does look like. There's also a gym, a spa, a sauna, and they do exercise classes as well. So if you like to keep fit on holiday, there's that as well. There's no real issues with any of the accommodation or facilities. One slight thing with the doors sticking a little bit, but other than that, everything's been really, really good. The entertainment staff have kept my daughter thoroughly entertained. The dances are all very good and age appropriate. I went to a Pontins a few years ago and their content was not really age appropriate. We are of course staying out of season really. We're staying at the end of March, so the place is a lot quieter. So because it is a smaller place, I don't know that in the summertime when it's all full, if it will feel a bit cramped. That would be my only concern, but here and now it's been brilliant. We've had a great time. Thanks very much for watching. If you have enjoyed my video of Haven Skegness, if you click here, there is a video of a Haven site we went to called the Blue Dolphin in Filey. And if you want something a little bit different, if you click this side, there's a playlist of the worst hotels I've stayed in. And right there in the middle is the subscribe button. Please do subscribe. We'll see you soon.